graphite material produced by SHJ. SHJ has been concerned about the application of artificial graphite material in industry for 21 years. What is artificial graphite material? Which industries can artificial graphite materials be used in? Today, we will introduce SHJ graphite material to you. Artificial graphite usually refers to the solid material obtained by the process of batching, kneading, molding, carbonization, and graphitization using carbonaceous raw materials with low impurity contents as aggregates, cold tappage, etc. as binders. According to the different molding methods of graphite materials can be divided into extrusion molded graphite, vibration molded graphite, die molded graphite, and isostatic graphite. The extruded graphite material is pressurized by a press, and the twisted past material is extruded into slender rods, tubes, blocks, and other different shapes of graphite raw materials. Generally, small diameter elongated graphite rods are often used in quartz crucibles, metal melting crucibles, aluminum stirring, and other industries. The large-sized extruded graphite materials produced by SHJ are widely used in heat treatment vacuum furnaces and heat treatment furnace heaters, anode graphite bolts, and other fields. Vibration molding, a special carbon forming method unique to China's graphite industry in the early stage, has been gradually improved and used in mass production. Its forming method that the carbon paste is loaded into the forming die, and then the paste in the die is danced in the process of strong vibration through vibration machinery. The feature of vibration molded graphite is that it can produce larger sizes than die molded graphite, which can meet customers' demands for large-size graphite materials. In recent years, it has been recognized by more and more customers in the alternative use of large-size extruded square materials. The vibration molded graphite produced by SHJ is suitable for graphite box for producing anode-cathode materials of lithium-ion batteries, heating elements and structural parts in vacuum furnace, heat exchanger, float glass, and exothermic welding, and other industries. Die-molded graphite is produced by putting the past materials into molds of different shapes and sizes, compressing them into mold shape by applying pressure in the up and down directions respectively, all at the same time, and then manufacturing them through baking, impregnation, graphitization, and other processes. It's widely used because its several high temperature resistance, oxidation resistance, high strength, electrical conductivity, and good thermal shock resistance. Die-molded graphite produced by SHJ is suitable for graphite bolt, plate, crucible, and other process products for lithium battery anode, sodium battery, lithium iron phosphate cathode, and other purpose, mold for exothermic welding, powder metallurgy sintering, pouring mold, float glass, bearing plate in vacuum furnace, etc. The main difference between isostatic graphite and other forming method is to pressurize the stirred paste in the mold in all directions at the same time, so that the material is stressed evenly. According to different forming temperatures, isostatic pressing can also be divided into cold isostatic pressing, warm isostatic pressing, and hot isostatic pressing. Our conventional graphite is produced by cold isostatic pressing. Therefore, isostatic graphite is also known as isotropic graphite or CIP graphite. Isostatic graphite materials has better compressive physical properties than other molding materials because of its high strength, high density, high purity, and isoentropy. It is widely used in metallurgy, chemical industry, optical fiber, aerospace, semiconductor, electronics, machinery, vacuum heat treatment, and other industry fields. SHJ has more than 20 years of business performance in the graphite industry and has accumulated rich experience. We have a professional graphite technology database and a dedicated technical engineer team, and have a full and practical understanding of the properties of domestic and foreign materials. We can choose the most cost-effective carbon materials according to the actual use environment of the customers. In addition to the production and sales of graphite materials, SHJ pays more attention to the application effort of graphite materials in the application end. We have more than 20 years of experience and data in conventional industries, such as chemical industry, precious metal smelting, EDM, vacuum furnace heat treatment, etc., and can provide guidance and suggestion for customers' use. In addition, SHJ is also actively developing graphite materials used in new fields, such as optical fibers, semiconductors, aerospace, etc. SHJ, always your graphite expert.